afternoon, students. So, start with your new chapter, that is fashion designing and merchandising. So, what is fashion retail organization? Organizational structure include a clear understanding of the authority and responsibility for each job to be done. Organizational system differ with the difference in type of merchandise, size of retail firm and target customer. So first is small single unit store is neighborhood store. These are owner and family operated single store. Next is departmental store, consists of separate section known as the department, such as clothing, sporting goods, automotive supplies, healthy and beauty products, and electronic equipment. Some department stores may also sell food products. Last is chain stores are retail outlets that share a brand and central management and usually have standardized business methods and practices. So, major divisions are merchandising division and sales and promotion division. Merchandising division buying, merchandise, planning and control, selling, fashion and coordination. Second is sales and promotion division, advertising, visual merchandising, special events, publicity and public relation. So next is finance and control division, that is credit, payable and inventory control. Next is operational division, maintenance of facilities, stores and merchandise, protection, personal, customer service and receiving and marking of merchandise. Last is personal and branch store division, that is may function separately if the store operation are very large. Next is preparing for a career. For the reason that this career combines styles with business sense, a flair for fashion will not bring your success. Rather, there are three primary and divergent skills that our fashion designer, merchandiser, and marketer must possess in order to succeed in this field. Second is forecasting ability. The ability to forecast fashion trends is an essential part of this career. This requires a thought future trends, current future trends as represented sometimes minute change within the fashion industry, and an awareness of how the marketing of an item contribute to these fashion trends. Moreover, they must be able to keep well ahead of these fashion trends to capitalize on them in time. Next is analytical ability. Fashion merchandiser and marketer must be able to analyze the dollar and cents part of their job. This means that they must keep abreast of the economy as the whole, the economy of their particular companies, and how certain style will fit into a customer's budget. They must juggle a complex set of factors to ensure that they make a profit for their employers. Next is communication ability. Excellent communication skill are absolutely essential in this field. They must be able to negotiate prices with manufacturer and sell their fashion choices to the public. To this end, they frequently write advertising copy, press releases, and even personalized letter to consumer. All of these take skilled communication skills. So fashion designer typically need an associate or a bachelor degree in fashion design. Some fashion designer also combine a fashion design degree with a business, marketing or fashion merchandising degree, especially those who want to run their own business or retail store. There are several different degree programs in fashion design and merchandising. You can earn a certificate, a diploma, an associate or a bachelor degree in this field. Your choice depends upon a number of factors that take into consideration the unique quality of each degree program. So next is fashion designer typically need an associate or a bachelor degree in fashion design. Some fashion designers also combine a fashion design degree with a business, marketing or fashion merchandising degree, especially those who want to run their own business or retail store. There are several different degrees program in fashion design and merchandising. You can earn a certificate or diploma, an associate or a bachelor degree in this field. Your choice depends sorry. Your choice depends upon a number of factors that take into consideration the unique quality of each degree program. First is certificate or diploma degree program in fashion merchandising can usually be completed in 6 months to 1 year. The program duration is so short because the coursework will focus on the actual job of fashion merchandising. A certificate or diploma program is suit you if you do not have the patience for long-term schooling and if you want to be able to enter the fashion field more quickly. Next is fashion merchandising related degree are 2 years master program that combines a certain amount of liberal arts or general education requirement with fashion and business courses. So bachelor degree in fashion designing or fashion merchandising are 4-year program that combine a substantial amount of liberal arts requirement with fashion and business courses. If you have the patience for long-term schooling, the desire for a broad education and yearning for various promotional opportunity, a bachelor degree may be suitable for you. So next is scope. Many are attracted to pursue a career in the fashion design industry due to lucrative income opportunities. In addition, the idea that you can succeed on your own further motivates aspirants. As the matter of fact, about 1/3 of professional fashion designers are self-employed. In general, fashion designer professionals have initiate artistic and creative quality. They use their creative gifts and artistic talents to create unique design concepts for various fashion applications. Today, fashion designer professionals are in demand in a variety of industries. Since there is a constant demand for fashion designer specializing in a particular field, most of the aspirants focus their talent in one specialized fashion area like interior designing, merchandising, displays, clothing apparel, theater set, and many more. You need to always equip yourself with fresh and new ideas since market and fashion trends are constantly changing. So currently there are number of fashion design career available. Some of the popular fashion design career that you could consider are as follows. First is visual merchandising designer. They are mainly responsible for designing window displays, arranging store merchandise, creating props and accents, organizing clothing placement, styling mannequins, and spread heading marketing campaigns. Second is fashion designer. Those working as fashion designer professional are typically tasked to create design for clothing and apparel. Some work with popular fashion designer while others manage their own fashion label. Set designer. As the name implies, set designer are primarily assigned to conceptualize design needed for movies, television, and theater production. Their styles and design must always in line with what the script or the director requires. Some set designers produce unique set design for trade shows and museums. Last is interior designer. The main goal of interior designer is to perfectly combine form with function. Their primary function is to introduce interior concept that will increase the beauty, safety, and functionality of the particular space or area. Interior designer work in a variety of settings include retail store, residential homes, office, hospital, hotels, and many more. So that's all for the today. The chapter is completed now. Thank you so much.